Hey YouTubers, it's Teddy Bear 1313 again, and I got a rat rod that is totally a rat. It's my 1955 Chevy. I the parts broke on me, so I just made it look like a rat, custom from hell, and I plastic welded the fenders to the body, as you can see. I'm going to smooth that out, maybe, or a little bit. And then I'm going to make a bed. I'm going to put a big old gas tank in the back. I welded the tailgate to it. I'm going to cake in the front of the hood to the front of the truck here. That way it would look like that from a side distance. And then I'm going to add some more stuff, and I don't know what motor I'm going to put in it, but it will be totally radical looking. It's totally unique looking, as you can tell. It took me 2 frames to connect together, and what I used was the extra styrene that comes with the model kits, and lit it on fire and then let it melt to it, and that's how I plastic welded. And I used a filer to smooth it out. I used my lighter, lit it up, and smoothened it out. That's how I plastic weld. And this is my pretty much radical rat rod that I pretty much made. Usually I just make it look like a hot rod rat rod. But with this one, this is my first junker rat rod that I just totally went off the wall with. Alright, YouTubers, stay cool, stay safe, and keep on building.